Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today, as you can see, I'm totally makeup free. See my blemishes. I have cleansed, I have toned, and I'm going to show you a device that I literally can't live without right now. And let me tell you something, even just the packaging, it's ready to be gifted. The device I'm going to show you today is the Comper Smarkin 4-in-1 beauty device. And you heard that right. I mean, look at that ready to gift packaging. It's absolutely beautiful. And this device is to be used in conjunction with the Comper HA Essence, which is a hyaluronic wonderful serum formula. Let's look at the design and the packaging first. Look at that packaging. It's ready to be gifted. It's sleek, it's simple, it's minimalistic. I mean, what more could you want? Let's open it. So it slides like that and it comes in a high quality boxing. So look at that device. It's absolutely beautiful. This is an all-in-one skincare tool. Let me show you what's inside the box. So you get the device, the Comper Smarkin, and then inside you get the manual, the charger. There we go. The charger comes with this sort of plug, but they did provide for me a plug converter. I didn't have any issues when it came to that because it was ready. So these are the accessories it comes with. Let me tell you something, it comes in 6 color variations, which include white, space gray, bordeaux, fuchsia, blue aztec, and rose confetti. And guess what? I got the rose confetti. I just couldn't resist. I mean, look at that pink pastel. Look at that sleek design. Okay, let's talk about the design. The actual body of the device is silicone and it's waterproof approved. IPX6. Not only do you get the antimicrobial benefits of using silicone, but you also get it like a good grip. Also, when it comes to waterproof, it's 100% waterproof, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet when you clean it. So do not use it in the shower because it also has microcurrent. And also because this device actually is not cordless, it always has to be plugged in, just to have that battery efficiency, which makes it even more powerful. Because the amazing thing about Comper Health is that they create medical grade devices, and when you use a medical grade device, you need to have it plugged in. It's not your average skincare tool. This is a 4-in-1 medical grade FDA approved skincare device, and let me tell you, it's for anti-aging, it's for cell renewal, it's for skin damage. It's really a wonderful device. Like, I can't stress it enough because there's nothing like it on the market. And I think the fact that it was medical grade made me even more excited to use it. Okay, so see the treatment head. That's really an incredible design. It's flat, so it makes it easier to apply. And also look at how big it is, so your treatment's going to take you less because the head is bigger. In terms of controls, it couldn't be simpler. I mean, look at that. You've got your power button, and then you've got your intensity and as well as treatment change button. It's as simple as that. Another thing is that you can use this device in 2 ways. You can use it manually, so you just press on and you choose one of the treatments here. There's 4 types of treatments, and or you can use it via the Comper Health app. To be honest with you, as much as I love a plug and play, which generally I tend to go for because sometimes, you know, you don't want to get your phone, but the Comper Health app is really good. So basically, first it assesses your skin to figure out where your problem areas are, and then it tailors a specified treatment plan for you and also sets alarms for when you need to do it next. So it couldn't be any easier than that. It shows you exactly what to do. I mean, it's foolproof, especially for someone who's beginning and really wants to get the best out of their device. Let's talk about this technology in this amazing gadget. Like, so little, but yet so mighty. The Comper Smarkin 4-in-1 beauty device offers 4 different treatments. You have radio frequency, which is the RF. You have microcurrent facial treatment, an LED light therapy, and you have a micro vibration treatment. The radio frequency treatment offers 3 different levels of radio frequency. Heats up the dermis, and this will help increase collagen production, helps tone the skin, reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. I mean, how good is that radio frequency treatment? Then you have your microcurrent facial, which has 3 different levels. Level 1 is generally for sensitive skin, level 2 is for normal skin, and level 3 is for really healthy skin that can bear that microcurrent. The microcurrent goes from 200 microamps to 800 microamps. They help with toning, reducing puffiness, and really cell renewal scientifically. Then you have your red and near infrared LED light treatment. This is a dual length therapy. Red LED is so important because it helps repair capillaries, balance facial water and oils, reduce acne, reduce pigment issues, and even heal UV damage. You have the micro vibration treatment, which is incredible because it really helps the skin lock in those ingredients that you put on it. This is the little packaging it comes with, and the serum is, look at this, it's quite watery. It's not as dense as other serums, usually they're more jelly. And the formula is incredible because it's targeted at really reducing the signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles. It's a good conducting gel, which is very light and easily absorbed, and its main ingredient, which is the most efficient one, is the hyaluronic acid it has, because it innate ability to lock in moisture and make the skin smoother and plumper.